to Study with Malsha YouTube channel. So my dear friends, with our previous quiz creating video, we learned how to create and upload a quiz into Microsoft Teams. Today we are going to learn some of the important features to finalize our quiz. First, let's learn how to schedule time to our quiz. Open your web browser and in the search bar type www.office.com. Now, sign in by giving your user credentials. So here you can use your same user ID and the password which you are using to sign in into Microsoft Teams. Now select the Forms option. So here you need to select the quiz you want, or else you can create a new quiz too. So here I will select an existing quiz. Now here you can see 3 dots on the right top corner. So select it and give this settings option. So if you want to check your papers manually, disable this option, show results automatically. So next, they will ask you who will fill this form. So if your quiz is an open one, you can select the first option, or else you can limit it to the people in your school. So next, you should check whether this option, that means accept responses, are selected, because without enabling it, students cannot give their answer or submit their quiz. Now we can schedule our time. First, select the starting date and the time. Now give the end date and the time. So here you can customize the final message what the child will get after submitting the form. So if you need to send a copy of the quiz to the student's email, you can select this option. Finally, you can see the quiz will be automatically saved. Now let's learn how to check the responses of our students, that means the answers. Here, next to your questions tab, they will give you another tab called Responses. So here you can see how many students have totally responded to your quiz. And you can see here the average number of marks of your class. So once you click on this review option, you can check the answers of your students one by one like this. If you want to get a report of all these marks and the student names, you can give this option open in Excel. So with these three dots, by clicking on this print summary, you can get a hard copy printout. So here see, when you scroll down, you can see a summary for each question separately. So as an example, for my second question, 63 students have chosen computer as the answer. So if you want a more detailed summary, click on this more details option. So finally, you can post all these scores. So now you know how to create a question paper and schedule time, as well as that to check the responses, that means the answers of your students. So my dear friends, I hope this part is very clear for you. So see you with another new video soon. Thank you very much.